All right, so we got to change this light bulb right here. And to do that, I've got to pull that, that fixture down and then get in there and unscrew it. So that's what we're going to do now. So, should usually use something better than this. And if you look, I'm just going to kind of pull this down and then to the side. And then I can reach up in there. I'm going to show you. Reach in, and you can feel the heat of the... And you just kind of unscrew it. I mean, you could take the whole fixture off, but I'm going to try to do it without doing that. And now I just got to get my other bulb, which is right here. I'm going to set that one there for right now. I'm going to put this one in there. Let's see if we can fit it in. Yep. The question is, can I get it up in there? Yep. There we go. Just gotta get it to start the threads, and then I'm good. There we go. Once it makes the contact, it should go right on. Because I have the almost there. Sometimes you get a bad bulb and you gotta do, oh, there we go. All right, there we go. Push that back, dang, done. Then throw this bulb out, we're good. So that's how you do it. Let there be light, and there's light. Bam.